We're Michelle and Alex. In the summer of 2022, we moved from our home in Austin, Texas, and began our new lives abroad in the Netherlands. We're currently in Japan having an absolute blast being back after a 3-year hiatus. Even though this is our 5th trip to Japan, we've actually never stayed in a capsule hotel, and that's what this video was supposed to be about. But as we'll find out shortly, we're about to end up staying somewhere else we've never stayed before, a love hotel. Oh boy. Oh hey, welcome back to Tokyo. Tonight, Alex and I are staying in a capsule hotel for the very first time and we're a little nervous.
But first, we decided to stop at this very cute little shrine because our capsule hotel is in Akasaka and the shrine is right at the exit of the subway. Very, very nice.
It's so cute. There's so many people here taking pictures, like families and couples. So I got my fortune and it's good luck, but it says good luck will come later and I should restrain myself now. And translation is kind of hard to read, but I should pray for difficult employment and travel. And if I have a strong will to drink or gamble, good luck will come my way. This sounds like a pretty radical fortune.
Okay, so slight change of plans. You want to tell them what happened?
Yeah, so we got to the capsule hotel and it was really busy. Like there was a line to check in right at check-in time. So we started thinking that we weren't gonna be able to give a great representation of what the experience was like without interfering with people's privacy. So we were like, what do we do? And yesterday when we were on our way to get dinner, we found this gigantic house that looked like it was covered in candy. It's a love hotel. And we're gonna go there and we're gonna stay there for a few hours and share that experience with you, which I actually think could be way more entertaining than the capsule hotels.
Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with the concept of a love hotel, they're all over Japan and you can essentially get a room for 2 different rates. The accommodation rate, which is the overnight rate if you're sleeping there, or a rest rate, which you can book for either 3 or 5 hours. Wink, wink. But they're all very creatively decorated and they all kind of compete with each other.
They have themes.
They're all very themed.
Wow. This is something else. Please don't.
And they really, really get into it. So we're excited to see what this theme looks like. Getting some water?
Yeah.
Think you're gonna be real thirsty after this?
I've got to hydrate.
It is. Let's try the ice though. This is the chocolate room. It is the room we booked, right?
Huh?
It is the room we booked, right? Oh, it's the chocolate room, alright.
The room that we booked was 3 nights.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. So we got a different room?
No, I think it just is. There's no 312.
No, I think We got a different room. We booked 312 and he gave us 302.
But there's no 312 on this floor, and the fourth one is the 4.
But this isn't the same room.
It isn't?
Mm-mm. The room has like a chocolate bathtub on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, at least it has a nice bathtub. It's clean. It's got all the shower amenities that you would expect. And a little shower. The bathroom is covered in mirrors. A separate toilet. So you can do your business privately. Look at all these amenities.
Whoa.
Toothbrush, hair
Body
clip,
towel,
body towel.
breath splash.
There's a clock in the mirror. Chocolate wall. Beautiful, like, crown chandelier. Chocolate bench. It does look like there's some sort of room service. It's tea and coffee. Air conditioning. What do you think?
It smells like cigarette smoke.
It does smell like cigarette smoke.
Yeah. I'm glad we're not sleeping here.
So Michelle insisted that we're not in the wrong room, and I checked online, and it actually does show Chocolate 302, which is the room that we are in. And if you look at the room, it looks like a very different room. I was excited about this room because it has a tree with a face on it, and 2 beds. Which, I mean, we don't need the 2 beds. I mean, maybe we do. Do we need the 2 beds?
We need the 2 beds.
All right, Michelle found something that potentially opens. Locked. Oh. Oh, it's a window. It's a window. What do you think it goes to?
It's covered up by the design outside. It's
a window to the outside.
It's a window to the
So there's
outside.
windows, but you can't see out of them because of the design on the windows.
Yeah. I also think I found something else.
Yeah, I think you did too. Also, are you talking about the hamburger phone?
No. I'm talking about something else.
Are you talking about the hamburger phone? Safety item?
Condoms?
Condoms. A toy cover,
Toy cover.
which makes us think that this is a toy. All right, there's a bunch of stuff on the table. Let's take a look at what we got here.
Let's see.
Shut this.
I think this is an advertisement for the hotel itself.
Okay.
Okay.
An event menu.
An event menu.
Free drink menu.
Yeah, free.
Free morning menu is breakfast in the morning if you get the accommodation.
Mm.
Oh, there's food. There is food.
Where is all this shit coming from? They're definitely, these are like restaurants, so they're like Uber Eatsing, is that a verb?
Sure.
They're Uber Eatsing this and bringing it to you.
That
so
makes
it's probably
sense.
like super marked up, you know?
Yeah. All right, now the service menu. Here we
God,
go.
I feel like I'm at my like aunt's house with the smoke smell.
All right, this is all in Japanese. All right, so it looks like they've got like different shampoos and conditioners you can get.
You can buy this
Hair
for your
treatment.
baby.
Curly hair, water and hair styling, and non-wash
Dry
treatment.
shampoo.
Is this like a spa thing?
This page, actually. Can we utilize this?
Oh, costume play?
I want to be the flight attendant. How come they're only for women?
Bunny? How come they are only for women?
Why can't we dress up? Why can't I be the flight attendant and you be the pilot?
Look at this coffee table. It's fancy. Take free. Oh my god, there's water in here. There's 1 water, even though the front implies that there would be 2.
Hey, that seems like it's a theme. They said there are 2 beds and there's only 1.
Ooh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get a drink. Do you think he's gonna come up here?
No, he'll probably just bill us. He has our credit card. What do you think's up with this?
What?
This brown one.
It smells weird in here.
Mildew.
It says cold. What is that? Is that where the chocolate comes out?
Oh my god, it's chocolate water. Oh my god.
No, don't turn the water on too.
We have to. I don't think that they actually want you to fill this whole thing up with chocolate.
You're talking like it's actually chocolate. That's the most upsetting thing I've seen because when it first came out it was green.
Well,
Can you just come look, show the contrast of my feet in here.
It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark. Well,
it definitely smells like chocolate.
Okay.
It feels thick.
Mm-hmm.
Why
are you sitting like that?
Because I don't want my bottom to touch the bottom of the bathtub. Do you want me to turn on the chocolate?
Do you want to try the chocolate?
Someone's emptying out their bathtub.
Give it a sniff when you get it. I want to know if it smells like chocolate. Doesn't?
We're making it up. It's in our heads.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually smell like chocolate.
That makes sense.
It just smells, it actually smells like rust. But I think...
What if it is just rust? And you think it's chocolate is the theme of the room?
They're just piping in rusty water. Jesus Christ.
Do you feel relaxed?
You know, I wouldn't say I feel tense. Yeah, I mean, I've definitely been more tense. I'm not sure I would say I'm relaxed though. Feel my body absorbing the rust.
Yeah, so we paid, I guess, around $70 for the room for 5 hours. So let's make sure that we get our money's worth here. I'm gonna take this mess, and then Michelle wanted the shape of her mess. Maybe we should make some of this Times Cafe special blend dark coffee, drip coffee. I don't really know what we were thinking about when I booked the room for 5 hours. I just kind of mentally thought, oh, it's only $10 extra compared to the 3-hour booking. But like even 3 hours is pretty excessive for a rest stay.
Yeah.
You know?
Unless you're taking a real nap.
Unless you're taking a real nap, that's true. Oh God. I think we're like 1 hour in. What are we gonna do the rest of this 4 hours? What do you think this is? It's actually not that bad. I feel like this would be a really good episode of Another Dirty Room. Dan Bell, give us a call. Let's do a Japan Love Hotel crossover.
We love you, Dan.
We love you, Dan. Well.
Did he come unstable?
Okay. We have our coffee.
Yep.
And we're ready to talk about what the Love Hotel was like.
Yes. Definitely getting like haunted house, haunted hotel, like weird circus vibes.
Mm-hmm.
But I will say it's cleaner than a lot of hotels that I've stayed at in the United States.
True.
And the amenities are like ridiculous.
I mean, we're gonna
They give you
be
like,
taking some of these home.
like free water and toothbrushes, and you get a hairbrush.
Mm-hmm.
You get all of these things.
And the menu's more extensive than a room service menu at most hotels. You can
Yep.
get literally whatever food you want here.
Yep, exactly. And there's like a microwave and like it's just, yeah.
I'm glad we stayed here just for a few hours. I don't think that I would want to stay here for a full night. I certainly would not want to stay here for multiple nights.
No.
If you wanted to stay here just for one night, especially because right now it's in Halloween and it's Halloween in Shibuya. So if you came here and you just wanted to hang out and stay out late and then needed a place to sleep, I think this would be a great solution. Would I stay here for multiple nights if I was staying in Tokyo? Probably not. Would you stay in a Love Hotel?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments below.
I mean, I have nothing else to say. I guess that's the question. Would you stay in a Love Hotel?
Mm-hmm.
Let us know in the comments. Your burger phone, I'm gonna miss you the most. So there are a lot of really interesting things that they did there to like maintain privacy. Like you couldn't see the person that was like
Checking you out.
or
Yeah.
checking you in, which is really nice. Like they couldn't see you.
Oh, yeah.
And then when there's a sign right by the door that basically indicates that when they do a delivery, they'll like secretly put
Like, if
it
you
on your
order food.
table. Yeah, which is nice because then you don't have to see the person.
Yeah.
But weirdly, like we bought that beer from the room service thing, and the guy chased me out to try and pay for it.
But it's odd. Like, it's interesting because it's like very high tech and low tech because like he knew that we got the beer.
Yeah.
He was notified
Yes.
that we got the beer.
But I still had to see the
like,
guy's face, and he had acknowledged me, which, you know, I mean, it doesn't bother
Whatever.
me. It's whatever. But it's just very weird how much the effort they put into like maintaining privacy, but then at the end, how
They
it's
won't
still
just
like
automatically charge you.
it still doesn't work.
Yeah.
They had my credit card because I paid for it with the credit card.
That was weird. But I mean, overall, it was good. It was
Yeah.
fun.